Embark on a journey of exceptional oral care with the Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, a testament to advanced technology and meticulous design by the renowned brand Oral-B. This isn't just an electric toothbrush, it's a game changer for your daily dental routine. Imagine a device that offers 100% more plaque removal in just 1 week, and even quadruples the cleaning along the gum line compared to a manual toothbrush. That's exactly what you get with this marvel of modern dentistry. The innovative technology not only promises whiter teeth from day one but also helps remove surface stains, ensuring a brighter smile every day. But it doesn't stop there. The Oral-B iO offers a personalized cleaning experience with its iOSENSE feature. This cutting-edge technology provides real-time coverage, time, and pressure guidance directly via the charger, eliminating the need to open an app. It's like having your very own dental coach guiding you every step of the way. Convenience is key in today's fast-paced world, and this toothbrush delivers just that. Travel hassle-free with the charging travel case and the 3H fast charger. The display always keeps you updated on your battery level, ensuring you never run out of power when you need it most. Protecting your gums has never been easier. The iO pressure sensor signals if you brush too hard, too soft, or just right, ensuring an effective and safe clean every time. Switch to Oral-B electric toothbrushes carefree with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Real users have shared their impressive experiences. One customer, who had sensitive teeth and areas of gum recession, found the sensitive toothbrush head and handle setting incredibly helpful in reducing pressure while brushing. Another user, despite initial issues with connectivity and the travel case, was happy with the clean feeling it gave their teeth and considered it worth the price. To get the most out of your Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, remember to read the instructions carefully and rinse the handle and toothbrush head as directed. This will help maintain the product's quality and performance over time. Experience the future of oral care today. Upgrade to the Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush and step into a world of cleaner, brighter, and healthier teeth. Your smile deserves nothing but the best.